Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to do a quick review video of the Vevor or Vevor, however you want to pronounce it, lifting magnet. This isn't a sponsored video. I purchased this magnet with my own money. In my fabrication shop, I've been doing more and more heavier work that the steel's getting heavier. I can't lift it up by hand anymore. I shouldn't be some of it, so I figured I'd get a magnet to use with the crane to lift it up. Very simple magnet. It just has a lever here that you turn it on and off. Once it's on, there is a locking pin here that you can't accidentally disengage the lever while the load is suspended. There is a shield around the locking pin that you have to depress that pin. Once it's released, you can move the magnet around. Center it up on the steel, lock the magnet, and it's locked in place. I can then bring the crane over, hook onto the shackle. Now I can lift up this piece of steel and move it anywhere around in the shop. Put it into position, unlock the magnet, and go on to the next piece. This comes in real handy where I can bring a whole pallet of material inside the shop here and sit it down and use the magnet to pick it up and bring it over here to the fixture table and assemble it. So far, these magnets have been well worth the money. I'm real happy with it. I haven't tested the full capacity of this. I haven't really had anything here solid enough, that heavy to lift up yet. Once I do have something here that I can accurately put this to the test, I would do that. So far, I think it's a great value for the money, and I would definitely be purchasing more of them again in the future.